Good morning, class. Now we will continue with our next video. In this we will discuss about the data types. Okay, in the last video we had discussed about the variables. So we will start with the data types. So what is the data type? So when I say about the data type, it is the type that we define to our data. Okay, for example, suppose I am using a value 2. Okay, so what is the type of the 2? 2 is an integer value. So it is an integer value. And suppose if I write 3.2, it is a decimal value. If I write a character A, this is a character value. Okay, in the double quote, if I write any name, suppose Himanshu, so it is a string value. Okay, so these type of values, when we are using, the type of these values will be holded by our one thing that is called our data type. Okay, and how will it take place? Let's discuss it. So suppose I had taken a value 2. So I will use the the data type int a equals to 2. So here int is the data type. Okay, a is the variable, 2 is our integer literal. We have discussed about the integer literal. So when we have to use our integer literal, then that data type will be of integer type. So it is an int. Okay, so it is an int data type. So we are having different data types, and we will discuss it. So one is the int, then float, double, char, and string. Okay, we are having so many data types, but today in your class we will discuss only the few ones. That is integer. Integer is taking the no decimal value. It will not accept any decimal value. Okay, float and double are meant to be for the decimal value only. Character for using a single character, using only single character, and that is also enclosed in a single quote in this. Okay, next is a string. A string is a collection of characters, and it is enclosed in a double quote like this. Okay, now they are having some size also. Okay, they are having some size also. So first we discuss about the int. So size we will discussing in the bytes. हम इसे किस में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं बेटा? बाइट में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, ये मेमोरी यूनिट होती है बाइट. जैसे आपकी सेंटीमीटर होती है, मीटर होती है, ऐसे आप जो मेमोरी की हमारे कंप्यूटर में होती है वो क्या होती है? बाइट. सो इंटीजर हमारा कितनी बाइट का लेता है? 4 बाइट. फ्लोट हमारा 4 बाइट, डबल हमारा 8 बाइट, कैरेक्टर हमारा 2 बाइट, स्ट्रिंग हमारा क्या होता है? ये हमारा रेफरेंस डेटा टाइप होता है. इसको हम छोड़ देते हैं. अगर हम सिर्फ उनकी बात करते हैं जिनका साइज हमारा फिक्स होता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं अपने बूलियन की. बूलियन में आपका जब भी आपको आंसर देना हो ट्रू या फॉल्स में, किसमें? सिर्फ ट्रू या फॉल्स में, उस टाइम पे हम कौन सा लेते हैं? बूलियन. और इसका साइज क्या होता है? 1 बाइट. Okay, so this is the data type. So what is the data type? The type of value that is stored by our value by our is int. So int is also our data type. We are having the in our class it is having only int, float, double, char, boolean, maybe or less. So int is a data type that is holding no decimal point. That means ये decimal point नहीं लेता है, ये सिर्फ आपका simply integer लेता है. जैसे आपने लिखा 2, 3, 4, -2, -4, -7. Okay, so in this way it will take. Float is taking the decimal value 2.9, 9.2, 8.7 in this way. Double is also the same, but the size is the different. It is storing the 4 byte, it is storing the 8 byte. That means जो आपका float होगा वो आपकी ज़्यादा वैल्यू को स्टोर कर सकता है. ठीक है, और जो आपका जो float होगा वो आपकी as compared to double आपकी कम वैल्यू को स्टोर करेगा, लेकिन डबल ज़्यादा करेगा. ठीक है, इसके पॉइंट्स के बाद ही वैल्यू ज़्यादा होल्ड करेगा, डबल को कम करेगा. रहेगा एज कम्पेयर टू दैट। नाउ कैरेक्टर क्या होता है, जो एक सिंगल कोट में बंद होता है, ठीक है, सिंगल कोट में। अगर मैं कैरेक्टर की बात करूँ तो अगर मैं सिंगल कोट में ए लिखता हूँ इट इज अ कैरेक्टर, अगर मैं सिंगल कोट में 1 भी लिखता हूँ देन ऑल्सो इट इज अ कैरेक्टर, ओके। एंड द boolean it always receive your answer either true or false and it takes only 1 byte. Now and remember this 1 byte equals to 8 bits. 1 byte equals to 8 bits. So if someone asks you about the in a bit, so you can multiply with 8. So it is a 34 bit into 8, 34 bit into 8, 64 bit into 8, 16 bit into 8, 8 bit. Okay, in this way you can see your answer in a bit also. Now our next part is our operators. Next part is our operators. So what are the operators? Operators are the symbol. Operator are the symbol that is used for our calculation part. Operators are the symbols that are used for our calculation part. How? Let's take an example, and with that example, it may be clear now. So suppose I am taking the value 2 plus 3. I am taking the value 2 plus 3. So here your plus is called your operator. Plus is called your operator. Okay, and 2 and 3 are called the operands. 2 and 3 are called the operands. ठीक है, तो जिस पर ऑपरेशन होता है that is called the operands, and जो ऑपरेशन करता है that is the plus, that is called the operator. Okay, now our next point is to differentiate about the different types of operators. So let's discuss the first operator is our arithmetic operator. First is our arithmetic operator. So in the arithmetic operator we have to know the plus symbol, minus, multiply, divide and modulus. Okay, this is very clear to you before also. Suppose we are having the two variable a and b and it is holding some value. So if I use the addition, so this is a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b, a divided by b and a modulus of b. Okay, for the all the values, suppose I taken the a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. Okay, so 3 plus 1, sorry 3 plus 4 it will be 7, 3 minus 4 it will be negative 1, 3 into 4 it will be 12. Now 3 divided by 4 it is 0 and 3 modulus of 4 it is 3. Now it is a bit confusion in the, this is called the modulus sign. Okay, so modulus is different maybe because you had studied with this symbol as a percentage. Okay, so let's discuss about the modulus symbol. अभी हम यहाँ पे मॉड्यूलस और कोशेंट की बात करेंगे, डिवाइड सिंबल की। देखिए हमारे पास एक होता है मॉड्यूलस और एक होता है डिवीजन। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट भी होता है बिकॉज दे विल आस्क अबाउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम। ओके, इन द एग्जाम आल्सो कैन आल्सो कम ना डिवाइड, व्हाट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मॉड्यूलस एंड द डिवाइड सिंबल। So if I say 5 divided by 5 modulus of 2, what will be the answer? And 5 divided by 2, what will be the answer? The answer will be different in both cases. Let's see. When we have to divide or when we have the modulus, we have to do like this. So 2 2 ja 4, remainder 1. Clear? So the remainder part is given by modulus sign. That is your answer will be here 1. Your answer will be 1 and 5 divided by 2. Here 2 2 ja 4, that this is the quotient. So your answer is this. So the remainder will be given by modulus sign and the quotient will be given by the division sign. Clear? So this is the difference between the divide and the modulus. That the divide always gives you the quotient and remainder will be given by the modulus. Okay. So this is the main difference. This is the arithmetic.